Chi-Chi Molano. Hi! Look at her outfit. So summery.
Yeah,
So,
it's so Palawan.
so Palawan. So what's inside your train case, girl? She's fixing it.
Yeah, I have tons of Glory of
Makeups.
New York. Yeah,
Wow.
most of the makeups I brought here are from our sponsor.
Glory of New York. Thank you so much, Glory of New York. Philippines Queen Bee for
Yeah,
sponsoring us.
thank you very much. I have all their
Eyeshadows.
eyeshadow palettes and their
Creams.
loose powder and
Wow!
their creams,
Cream foundations and loose powders.
concealer. It's all in here. They're all here. So I'll be using them for the Pilipinas later. And I also have the blush.
From Glory of New York as well.
Of course, Glory of New York. I have my
Also,
L'Oreal,
L'Oreal Infallible.
yes, all the different shades. What else do I have here?
Some of the lipsticks.
Lipsticks
From
are, this is Derm Plus. It's a Korean brand.
Korean brand.
Yes. Lucy Vanity.
Blue Sea Band.
It's all
Can I
in
see the shade?
pink.
Pink. Why pink? Because
It's the universal color of the lips of
Mutiara Pilipinas.
yes.
Yes. No reds, no nudes, just pink.
Yes. Well, you can use a little bit of orange.
Orange, coral for morena skin, no?
Yeah.
Skin tones.
I think there's a problem with this one. I also have my eyebrow kit.
Yeah, what's that model?
It's from Beauty Bar.
Beauty bar. How much is that?
It's around 1,800.
1,800
You can use it for like a year.
a year.
Yeah.
Alright.
Useful for me. I
And
also
then,
have L'Oreal Lucent Magic. It's
what's
like
that? Concealer?
it's a corrector. Yeah,
Corrector.
concealer. Highlighter.
Highlighter.
And then, of course, the Maybelline Volume Express
Mascara.
mascara.
Maybelline has this really amazing mascaras, right?
Yes.
They're really affordable pa.
And the dupe of Urban Decay Primer.
It's the elf.
Yeah, very useful.
Very. I like it. Very cheap and affordable and nice quality. I like her train case. How much is this? 6,000?
Yeah. Um, and then I changed the light bulb. These two are all LED white light, and then these are yellow ones.
Because if you buy that, it's originally yellow
Yellow.
light, yellow bulb.
But the natural color would be a combination of white and yellow.
Yellow. Para maganda.
Yeah. For you to achieve the natural look.
Look. What else?
What else? I have a benefit. This is a gift for me. It's a benefit palette. Yeah.
It's the color. Oh,
There's a cream white and a violet and different shades of blue, violet, purple. Yeah.
nice.
And alright.
Excited?
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Is it your first time to Palawan?
My very first time. That's why I'm gonna kiss.
The sand.
Yeah.
where are we going to stay?
Sheridan Hotel.
Courtesy of Mutiana
Yana
Filipinos.
Filipinas 2030.
Alright, thank you so much, Chi-Chi, for your train case tour.